Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 4x5 reversal film, pearl ring, pretty big ring. This is my subject today, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges, but not much pencil drawing type image because the background is most of the image is out of focus, so it's only we have pencil drawing type image on part of ring. Well, that's alright. I'm gonna paint it on something beautiful color. Well, let's get started. Okay, about this ring shot, I'm gonna change this pencil drawing type image blend mode normal to, let's see, overall image. Well, overlay. Pretty clean look. Well, luminosity. That's nice. Nice saddle colors. Okay, I'm gonna use this saddle colors. I'm gonna make it darker colors. Okay, I'm gonna select group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Then I'm gonna use, let's see, duplicate this base image. I gotta rename. Okay, luminosity effect layer. I'm gonna duplicate this original image. Then bring one of this, go over luminosity effect layer. Then change blend mode to, well, change to color burn. Goes color color goes real dark. This is the luminosity effect image. Then original opacity go up. It's max. Max is too, I think, too thick, too much. Maybe about 65. Let's see. Yeah, we see the color of this stone, ruby stone color. Turn it off, this base group. And then this is luminosity effect layer. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use this image is gonna be the base image. Okay. Now I want to see, well, move this original. One is color burn blend mode. The other one, I'm gonna move this one up too. And then normal blend mode. Go down to about 30. Use maybe, let me see, change the order of, move this one just in between these. Yeah, color burn effect on this original image. So of course, even though opacity is about 30, still effective on pretty much. Let's see, this color burn opacity just maybe up, so we see the ruby stones show up more. Well, this is a nice color here, right? Okay, this is just normal image. Maybe just add this normal image, just make mask to change around here. Pro ring is gonna be this image. Okay, let me see. Okay, just try. Okay, make mask, then invert mask. Now reveal this mask with, well, I use a spicule last couple times. we see the image, but we don't see the texture of the brush, huh? Like here. Well, okay, in this case, I want to show surroundings outside of the image. Just use the original image. So, okay, I'm gonna move this original image. Move up. Then let's see, tone down, half tone, 50, yeah. Then same thing, make mask, invert mask. Then I'm gonna reveal this mask to show this original halftone image. So let's see. I don't want to reveal this ring area, just outside. Okay, now I want to add color though around here. Okay, I'm going to add layer, then this is normal blend. I'm going to use same brush, but color, well, we see some real shadow yellowish color around here. So I'm going to add same tone. And emphasize same kind of greens, cyan. Touch magenta-ish, real shadow. Okay, now well, okay, let me see this original image. This one, normal blend. This is 50% opacity. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this original image. Then just delete mask. Now opacity back to 100 max. Then I'm gonna move this one to all the way top. Then make mask, invert mask. Now same brush to reveal this. I just want to leave this reflection of the pearl. Green is so nice, so I'm not going to reveal this reflection part outside of the pearl and stuff. And well, some part this ruby doesn't show much. It's too dark on original images, so I'm not gonna reveal this. Maybe only reveal this pearls outlines. Yeah, I guess that's it. I think that's all I can reveal from original image. Yeah. Well, to shadow, huh? Okay, I'm gonna add some colors. Let me see if I darken this image. Let's see, we have this pencil drawing type image here. Move this pencil drawing type image, go all the way top. Then let's see, color burn, linear burn, multiply, color burn. Maybe that's about it. Okay, color burn, and let's see, I'm gonna delete this group folder. Yeah, shadow color. That's it. Now what I did is, this is a luminosity effect layer from the original image change blend mode or pencil drawing type image, change to luminosity to get this luminosity effect image. This is the base image. Then I add from original image to add this much of this color blurring effect original image with mask. Then also I add outside of the ring image is normal image, just real saddle image with mask with the what was the brush name, spicule. Add outside of the image with mask. Then I add color, saddle color on yellow, pink, bluish. Then also I add some pearl rings, pretty much shadow area. This is the one to see the ring. Then last one is add pencil drawing type, change blend mode to color burn. Then goes a little bit dark. Well, that's it for today. Real saddle image. Since base image was mostly out of focus, real close up shot of the pearl ring. So, well, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I really hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.